Air duct cleaning. Houston. Air duct cleaning is necessary in order to create the best possible environment. If you are looking for a thorough vent cleaning company, cleanairhoustonpro is the perfect company for you. Houston Dryer Vent Cleaning. To clean your dryer vent, first unplug any electrical cables from it. Then, you should turn off the gas valve, if applicable. To access the vent, remove the dryer from its wall socket. You can also unscrew the duct attached to the back of the dryer, and then use a screwdriver to remove it. You can then begin cleaning. Air duct cleaning in Houston, Texas. Cleaning dryer vents is not easy, but can be rewarding. Listen for the smoother flow and feel relieved. There will be no more wet clothes or endless cycle. Make sure to also get rid of the lint filter. If you are using fabric softeners, dryer sheets or other dryer products, the dryer's lint filter can become blocked. As a final step, try to remove any pet hair from the vent by using a lint brush. Duct cleaning. Houston. Routine cleaning will help protect your heating system. For best results, you should clean the dryer vents at least twice a year. It is worth hiring a professional to clean your dryer vents. However, it's not a wise idea to try and do the work yourself. Dryer vent cleaning. Houston, Texas. Investigating the ducts of your house is a good idea before you contact a professional. Examine them for discoloration and fine dust. Take off the covers to clean the inside of the ducts. Use a damp sponge or a cloth to wipe it down. If you find that the dust in the duct is more than you can handle, it's time to contact a professional air duct cleaner. You will be able to improve both the quality and health of your air. Once you've inspected the air ducts, the technicians will turn on a vacuum to remove the dust. They will clean each vent with powerful vacuuming equipment and rotating brushes. After cleaning the vents, they'll inspect them for debris and pollen. These instruments will usually have sensors which can be used to determine which vents require cleaning. If the sensors don't work, then they will need to be repaired. Vent cleaning. Houston. You must change the filter before you can clean furnaces' air ducts. The right vacuum is essential for this job. Protect yourself against the harmful substances in the air duct by wearing heavy-duty gloves, a dust mask and goggles. A powerful vacuum cleaner is recommended for this job. Your standard vacuum won't be strong enough. You may also want to use a stiff bristled paintbrush or toilet brush to clean out the vent. They will typically have sensors installed to detect which vents are dirty. If not, the tools can be simply replaced. Thanks for watching. Check us out.